This conference will now be recorded.
If you understand this cloud computing, it's very easy to understand what is Salesforce. Right? That you want to understand this cloud computing, first we should understand here, okay, what are legacy systems? Legacy systems. Okay. Because of this legacy systems, because of these drawbacks of this legacy systems, how the client is facing issues with this legacy systems, right? Okay, based on this, the cloud computing technologies have came into existence. Okay. Now, most of the clients are using the same cloud computing technologies on their business operations. Okay, why? What are the drawbacks from this legacy systems? Okay, where the clients are moving to the cloud computing technologies only, right? And if you understand this cloud computing, almost you are there in the Salesforce, right? Let me take you for example. Legacy means okay, old application development system. Okay, in olden days, this is some of the companies. Okay, how they're using this development system to develop their softwares in their companies. If any business individual or any client, if they want to start their business here, they needed a software. In olden days, if they want the software means they must develop the software in their companies itself. But for that clients are going to face our clients are going to invest a lot of amount to develop a software in their company for their business operations. Okay, it's an old application development system, like software development systems. You can say that. Okay, this legacy systems are nothing but here step-by-step processor, right? Step-by-step processor, or we can say it's very slow, right? If you are running on the waterfall methodology, okay, what is the waterfall methodology there? It's a very slow process. Okay, now most of the companies are using agile methodologies, right? They are very speed, correct? See, because of these legacy systems, how the clients are going to face it. Everywhere to develop a software, okay, to develop a software, everywhere the client is going to invest a lot of amount, okay, to overcome this one. Okay, if the clients are very big, okay, if their investments are very high, they only can start developing a software in their companies. Okay, a common people, okay, cannot start developing a software in their companies, sir, right? That is about the legacy systems. Suppose I'm going to say one thing that look at here. I'm the business individual that I want to start a company, I want to start a business there. I have the business idea. Okay, based on this business idea I want to start a business, right? Or you can say like this, I have already a business, my business is running. Okay, to do some automations in my company, right? I need a software. My companies are running, I have the business idea, so based on that business idea I need to develop a software like this. Okay, so my idea should become a software. Okay, my idea should become a software application like this. To get this, there are different types of steps are there here. Okay, first thing is that I need to go for the setup. I'm saying about the legacy systems, right? Okay, if the setup that you want to do in your company is, normal people cannot do this, right? Only experts are needed here. The client has to buy those experts from some other countries. Are you getting? And they need to invest a lot of amount there. Are you getting? And if it is done, next thing is that you want to develop a software means platforms are needed here. Again, the client has to buy these platforms from some other third-party vendors or entrepreneurs who are there. Okay, from the owners, they need to buy it here. There also the client has to invest. And not only that, the clients are having, for suppose I'm the business person means I have the different types of customers are there. Okay, millions of customers are there throughout the world. Okay, and I want to store their information. For that, I need to establish an external server in my company, right? Look at here this. See, to do this much of setup here, the client has to invest a lot of money. Means invest is needed here. Okay, once it is done, if the customer's data is there, for that I need to arrange here the security layers. If it is done, I need to go with the business analysis for the profits and the losses that are running on my company. I need to see that. Once it is done, I need to go for the design to start development on my software. Okay, what the design contains? It contains, everyone knows that high level are documents it contains there, and the low level are documents also it contains there. Based on that we're going to start the development, for example. Okay, see, to do the development. Okay, for suppose I have hired here 10 developers. Are you getting? Look at here this. There, the client is going to face a lot of issues from this point. Why? Because there is no continuous development available in the legacy systems. What the continuous development means? Look at here. We have the employee one. Okay, he got a task there. Right. Based on this task, see that he's going to finish it within 2 days of time. I have the employee two. He also got the task. Right. He is going to finish within 10 days of time. See, why I said this no continuous development means, look at this. If the employee one finishes their task within 2 days of time, this employee must wait for the another employee too till completion of their task here. And then only all the employees together after completing the task at a time they can move to the testing. There the end-to-end testing is going to happen there. After that they can go for that staging, and after that they can go with the deployment process. Right? See, one employee finished their task within 2 days of time means that employee must wait for the other employee. Means the client has to pay. Client has to pay the salaries for every employee, right? Is right or not? Here the client is going to lose. Okay, lot of things there. But the continuous development means if the employee is getting the task, he is going to develop it, he is going to test it. Are you getting or not? And he's going to move the task to the production. That is nothing but here the continuous development. There's no such type of continuous developments are available in these legacy systems. That's the main drawback in these legacy systems because it's a burst of process. You're getting? Finally, they are going to move to the testing. Finally, we have the staging. Are you ready? We have the staging. After that, we are going to the deployment. Are you getting? See that? At last, that we are getting here the software application in their company. See that? How many steps are involved in the legacy systems? Are you getting? Everywhere the client is going to invest a lot of amount here, right? No. See that? It is a legacy systems. It is a legacy systems. Yeah, of course. To develop this software, it will take nearly 2 to 3 years of time. Here it will take the 2 to 3 years of time there. Whatever the software that you build, that you developed here, right? Okay, that may or may not fit for the client business needs. It may not fit here there, and some more extensions are needed for that software there because of this lengthy time to develop a software, right? Okay, it is happening. Still also some of the technology like Java, .NET are following the same legacy systems, right? To overcome the issue, to overcome this, see, come to the setup, it's a very headache. Once the setup is failed, again they need to wait for another 1 month or 2 months to do the setup, right? Okay, to overcome the issues, cloud computing technology came into existence. Are you getting? Everywhere the client is going to last, no one is losing that, right? Okay, to overcome this one, if any business individual, not only the rich, okay, any common people, if they want to start, okay, cloud computing technology came into existence. What does it mean, the cloud computing technology? Nothing is there. Look at here. From this setup to look at here this deployment processor. From this setup, the deployment processor is handled by the third-party vendors or the entrepreneurs or the owners. They are going to handle it. Are you getting? And they are going to look after developing the entire software applications. Okay, after that, okay, they are going to deliver this software to the clients. The clients who are willing to use the software, they're going to use it, and as per the usage, they're going to pay monthly rental to the tenants. They are the tenants, clients are the tenants. They are going to pay monthly rental to the owners. Owners means vendors. That is nothing but the cloud computing technologies. Okay, the work of the vendor is to deliver the software. They are the owners for the software. They are going to deliver it to the clients. The clients are going to use this software as per their requirement. Once the usage is done, they are going to leave it. Are you getting? See, the clients are not permanent. Clients are not owners for the software. The vendors or the entrepreneurs are the ones for the software. That is nothing but the cloud computing technologies. Okay, client is nowhere is going to take care, and nowhere they are going to handle the developing entire development process of the software. Are you getting? They are not concentrating. They are not willing to start their software applications in their company. They are looking for commonly available software to start their business. Are you getting? That is nothing but the cloud computing technology. Cloud means a remote. Means they are going to deliver any software through these remote servers. Who are going to handle this remote servers means who are going to handle this remote server means vendors, are the owners, are the entrepreneurs. They are going to handle this. Okay, a remote servers. Any software they're having, the vendors have the softwares. Okay, they're going to set up these softwares in the cloud. Cloud means remote server. From the remote server, whoever the clients are needed this software, to them they are going to deliver it through this cloud. Through this cloud. That is nothing but the cloud computing technologies. What you understand finally, if the clients wants to use any software, they are not initiated to start developing their software in their companies. They're willing to use if anyone is going to deliver. They are willing to use if anyone is going to deliver. Anyone means here the vendors are going to deliver as per their business requirements. Okay, that is nothing but the cloud computing technologies. Best types of that you know already here. Okay, we have the Facebook.com is there, right? Facebook.com. Okay, who is that? He's also one of the vendor, for example, there, right? And they're having a software here like it's Facebook. Okay? They have set up this Facebook software in the cloud already, right? From this cloud, they're going to deliver to the clients, or simply you can say that users. Okay, if the clients also can do business with the Facebook, but not only that, users also can use it. If they want to use this Facebook software, how they are going to use it? The clients and users are they going to start developing their Facebook 1, Facebook 2, Facebook 3 softwares? No, no, no. They are not going to start here this, right? Just they're good. They're willing to take it from the some of the third-party vendors, right? That is nothing but the cloud computing technologies. Means Facebook.com is the owner for the Facebook software. Okay, they have set up this Facebook software in the cloud. From the cloud, they're going to deliver to the clients. Are you getting or not? So clients can use as per their business requirement, and as per the usage, they're going to pay monthly rental through the tenancy process. Okay, through the multi-tenancy process. Are you getting? That is nothing but the cloud computing technologies. Just like you can see the Gmail also there, right? Okay, Google company already set up the Gmail application in the cloud. From the cloud, they're going to deliver to the millions of users or the clients. Are you getting? If they want to start any business here, they can use that software and they can continue. Right? That is nothing but the cloud computing technologies. Means they're going to deliver with the software through the cloud. That's the step number one here, right? You may ask me the question. Sir, they are going to deliver only softwares? No, no, no. They're going to deliver the platforms also there, right? If you look into Apranda is having the Apranda platform, right? Okay, what they're going to do here? They have set up already this Apranda platform in the cloud. Through this cloud, they're going to deliver to the clients. Okay, clients can use this Apranda platform through the cloud. Okay, they're going to deliver this platform through the cloud. So the clients are going to use this platform and they're going to develop their own software here. After that, they're going to leave it. Right? That's nothing but means here in this step, they're going to deliver the softwares. In this stuff, they are going to deliver the platforms. Are they going to deliver only software and platforms? No, no. They can also deliver here the servers. Let me take the AWS. Everyone knows that, right? They're having the servers with them. Are you getting or not? Servers, I can say you can say that here, the servers, right? What they're going to do? Okay, to this cloud, right? They're going to deliver a part of the server to the clients. For example, let me take it. I have one web application there. Okay, we developed a web application. That application I want to host it on a server. How can I host it? I'm going to pay 3,000 to 4,000 rupees to the AWS. Okay, they're going to deliver a part of the server to me. On that, I can host my application there. Means they are not physically coming to me towards me, and they're not giving this server there. Okay, how can I use it? They're going to deliver this server through cloud. So on that server, I'm going to host my web application there. Is that or not? So they're going to deliver the servers also there. Are you getting or not? That is the meaning of it here. Means in the cloud computing, they're going to deliver the softwares, they're going to deliver the platforms, they're going to deliver here the servers over internet. If they want to deliver, if they want to use those all the things, means they must need it only one thing, that is internet connection is needed and the basic browser is needed. That is nothing but the cloud computing, right? Let me define a small word definition means delivery of delivery of okay software okay over internet. That's the first definition we can provide here. Is it only software? No. Okay, we have the platforms also there, right? Is it only software and platforms? No, we have the servers also there. That's the exact definition for this cloud computing. Delivery of softwares, platforms, okay, and the servers over internet is nothing but here the cloud computing technologies. Okay, man. Okay, if you understand this, we can go ahead with that. Another best example to see what does it mean that exactly the cloud computing technologies. Okay, man. Look at this example. Two words that we are going to learn from this. What does it mean? Look at here. The meaning of here on premise. On premise. And what is the meaning of the on demand here? Look at here this. What is the meaning of the on premise and what is the meaning of the on demand? Okay. So if you understand these two words, okay, it's very easy to understand what is the cloud computing. Okay. Up to now, what I said, did you understand or not from this notepad? Kanyakumari.
Yes, I'm good.
Yes.
I'm good.
Yeah. Look at this. Let me go for this on premise. What's the on premise? What's the on demand? Okay. I will tell you best examples. Listen carefully. What's the on premise means? We can get a clear cut idea here. Suppose here I'm the owner for, look at here, I'm the owner for a software called MS Office. I think everyone knows MS Office, right? I'm the owner for this MS Office. I have a different types of customers out there, right? Some customers are using here the desktops. Look at here. Some customers are using this desktops, okay, and they're having the Windows operating system here. There. What is that? Windows operating system, okay. And not only that here, some customers are having, okay, some customers are there, okay. They are using here the laptop here. They're using here the laptop, right? They are also having here Windows operating system, right? Look at this. I am the owner for this MS Office software. I have the customers, those who are using desktops. Some customers are those who are using laptops. Both are having the Windows operating system. Are you getting? If they have the Windows operating system, as the owner of this MS Office, okay, these customers are paying yearly $50 to $100 to me, and they're going to download my software, and they're going to install it. And when they pay the money to me, are you getting? I'm going to provide a key to them, okay, some code to them, and they're going to enter that code, and they're going to install it. Keep in your mind, right? They're going to install the software, and they're going to use that software there. Are you getting? If they have the Windows operating system, are you getting? Some customers are like this. Some customers are like this. In the same manner, laptop also there. If they have the Windows operating system, okay, they can get download my software, they can install it. Okay, if they pay money to me, I can give them the key that works for 1 year or 2 years like that. So they're going to use it. They're going to install it and they're going to use it. Are you getting? Some customers are there. Yeah. Some customers are there who are using the basic Android mobile. It's a basic Android mobile. Some customers are using the tablets also there, right? Look at here. Yeah, they're having the basic Android mobile. They're not having any Windows operating system. Are you getting or not? So they cannot install my software and they cannot use it. Right? So I'm unable to satisfy these two types of customers. Are you getting? Because they're not having the possibility there. Of course, they're having the basic Android mobile, they're having the tablet. Okay, but it is not possible to install, to download, and to install my software in their laptops. So obviously, okay, I'm unable to satisfy these two types of customers. Are you getting? Here, what you understand from this one? From this one, they are going to install my software in their devices, right? Okay, see that on premise means if any device is ready to install, okay, any device, okay, ready to install software. Are you getting? That is nothing but here. That is nothing but here. On premise. If any device ready to install a software is nothing but on premise, but that is not going to satisfy the every customer. Okay, if the installations and the downloads are needed, okay, that is not going to satisfy every customer. Are you getting? So I'm not going to satisfy the every customer there. Is right or not? So it never comes under the cloud computing technologies there. Are you getting? Okay, it is the on-premise. On-premise means if device is ready to install the software, okay, that never comes under the cloud computing technologies. Are you getting? Because it is not going to satisfy every customer there. Okay, that's one point. I think you might understand the on-premise. Let me go for the on-demand. Okay, see that? Again, I'm going to take care of this. Are you getting? Again, here also, I'm going to take care of this. Look at this. I am the owner for example, Gmail. I have a Gmail. I have the software called Gmail. Okay, I assume that these every customers are having the internet and they have the browser. Are you getting? They have the internet and the browsers. Every customer is having it. But look at here. Whenever I deliver the software to if they have the internet and the browser there, they are going to use it. Here also laptop customers also can use it. See that basic Android mobiles are having the chance that they can open the process and they can connect to the internet there. Okay, they also can open the Gmail here there. Here also in the tablet they can open the Gmail. What does it mean? Every customer is going to use my software there, right? Every customer is going to use my software there. If they have the internet connection and the basic process are there, they're going to use it. Did you understand? That is nothing but if my software is going to satisfy every customer, okay, if my software is going to satisfy every customer, if they don't need any downloads and the installations, that is nothing but the on demand. Here also, cloud computing technology will comes under the on demand. So cloud computing technologies are the on-demand systems. On-demand systems. Got it? Now, did you understand the meaning of the on-demand and on-premise or not? Did you
Yes, we got
understand?
it. Yes, we get it.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
I got
Now,
it. Thank you.
from this, based on this, a concept of cloud computing, that we are going to start our Salesforce here. Are you getting? If you understand the cloud computing means, we are almost there on Salesforce, right? Means one software is going to satisfy every customer. That's the final word that you need to understand. Okay. See that Facebook is only one software, but it's going to satisfy the millions of customers throughout the world. Gmail is only one software, but it is going to satisfy the millions of customers throughout the world. Is that or not? Okay.
Yes.
Here also, if any business person or any number of business persons, if they are willing to start their business, all are commonly needed a software, a business software there. Are you getting? That is nothing but the Salesforce. Okay, let me go for this. Okay, use it. Wait. Let me go. I'm going to start about here the Salesforce. Look at this. Salesforce.com. Okay, Salesforce.com is the entrepreneur. They are the vendors. Okay, they are the owners company. Look at here this. This company is co-founded by Mr. Mark Benioff and Parker Harris in the year 1990 in San Francisco. Not present. Okay, Salesforce.com. This entrepreneur company is the tallest tower in the San Francisco. Are you getting? And it is the fourth largest company in the world actually, right? And it is established by, or you can say that co-founded by Mark Benioff and Parker Harris actually. Okay, in these two persons, Mark Benioff is a very very important person, and he worked as a chief executive in the Oracle earlier. He stopped working there. He started establishing the Salesforce.com. He developed a software. Are you getting? He developed a software called Salesforce CRM in that company. What is that? Salesforce CRM. And and he set up with this Salesforce CRM software, which contains inbuilt functionalities, just like the Facebook, just like the Gmail. But this Salesforce is used for the business operations. Okay, that contains
So
many inbuilt
I have a
functionalities.
question.
Yes,
Uh, so the Salesforce you said is the fourth largest company in the world, right? So
yes.
is it have any particular office or anything in some anywhere in the world or like country?
Come
Are you
again.
getting me?
Ask me again.
No, I was just asking that you just said it's the fourth largest company in the world, right? So I
Yes.
was asking that is there any particular office in a particular country or anything like? Are you
Everywhere.
getting me? Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
it's just a
It
cloud,
is
right?
most
Mm-hmm.
used in UK. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
More number of clients who are using the software is from UK actually, right?
Okay.
That's why it's get popular, and then USA and Australia.
Okay.
Okay, clients are there. Most of the clients are using from UK, right? Are you
Okay.
asking the same question?
No.
Coming. Because of this CRM, customer relationship management. Okay, they got this much of popularity, right?
Okay.
Ask, ask me the question again.
Yes.
No, ask the question again.
Okay. You want me to repeat my question?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Uh, I was asking there is there any particular office or anything for the Salesforce in the world, or is just a online setting like Amazon or Amazon? You're giving example for Amazon, right? So they have some offices, they have some warehouses and everywhere, right? So is there
No,
anything like that in Salesforce, or is just
no,
like in servers and online and everything? So is there any?
no. No, 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 no.
Yeah.
It is a software actually.
Yeah, it's
This
a
software
software.
it
Yeah,
is,
that's why I was asking. Is there
it
any
is
is it
under the control of.
physically is there something in the world like any office or anything?
Yeah, Sony. Best example, Sony are using the same software.
Okay.
Sony is using that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I also work for that actually. Okay. Sony is the same software here for that.
Okay.
Where the different types of clients are, the clients are using this one, but it is under the control of Salesforce.com. Okay.
Okay.
It
Mm-hmm.
is under the control of Salesforce.com. From the cloud, they're going to deliver to the every client, those who are willing to start their business. Best example is the Sony. Sony
Okay.
is in the same Salesforce here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is it the question or not? Right
Yes,
question?
yes, yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. That's fine. Now see that Salesforce.com, okay, is having a software called Salesforce here, and they are going to set up this software here. They are going to set up this software. Okay, listen to me. They are going to set up this software in the cloud. Okay, like this. They're going to set up the software in the cloud. The software name is here the Salesforce CRM, Customer Relationship Management. The software can helpful to interact with the client's customers effectively. Are you getting? And not only that, if they want to start their business with the customers, if they want to interact with the customers, if they want to chat with the customers, if they want to send emails to the customers, if they want to provide a good service to the customers, finally, okay, they want a good interaction with the customers. The CRM, a technology which is embedded with the Salesforce, is very, very important. Right? There are different types of cloud computing technologies out there. But among all cloud computing technologies, why is Salesforce means it is having the CRM, right? CRM implementation is there. That is interaction with the customers. They are going to satisfy every customer. That's why the customer repeatedly, okay, they're going to provide business to the clients through this Salesforce CRM. Not only software, man, they're having the platforms also there. Here, for startup and the platforms on the security architecture, right? Are you getting? And the servers, security architecture, and the servers, a lot of things are there. Everything they're going to set up in the cloud, right? In the cloud. Keep in mind. So they have the software they're going to set up in the cloud here, there, like this. Okay? They're going to set up in the cloud. That's right. And the Salesforce CRM, which is an inbuilt functionality, it contains many inbuilt modules and many functionality it contains which are related to the sales operations, which are related to the service operation, which are related to the marketing operations. Are you getting on? Many things are there, right? And it is easily customizable. Because of that easily customizable nature of the Salesforce CRM, okay, it got popularity, okay, throughout the world. Okay, any type of client, that may be a medium-sized client or that may be a rich client, everyone is going to use the Salesforce CRM because of this customizable nature that easily we can modify it, easily that we can write the code, or easily we can use the existing CRM functionality for our business requirement. That is main things about the Salesforce CRM. Okay, if you may ask me the question why it got this much popularity means it is having the easily customizable nature, right? That's the meaning of it. Again, in the Salesforce CRM, we have the different types of products are there, man, in the Salesforce CRM. Okay, like we can say that here, Sales Cloud, one of the product in the Salesforce CRM. We have the Service Cloud, that is also another product in the Salesforce. We have the Marketing Cloud, okay, that is also one of the product in the Salesforce CRM. Okay, we have the Community Cloud, okay, that is also one of the product in the Salesforce CRM. Okay, we have the Lightning platform. Okay, Lightning platform. It is a platform, man. Okay, I said already in the demo, they are going to deliver the softwares like this, software products like this, and they also can deliver the platforms like this. Is that or not? And they're having the database.com. Okay, that is one of the products of Salesforce. They have the data.com here there. Okay, like this CPQ is there, product is there, different types of products are there in the Salesforce here. Are you getting all are the products? All are the products. Okay, all are the products from this Salesforce CRM, right? All are the products in this Salesforce contain these many products. Okay, we cannot assure what the clients are having their business. Okay, we cannot assure that, but okay, if they are having a CRM related business here, it is best used. That's fine. That's good. So keep aside here the Salesforce.com is on the Salesforce CRM. It contains different types of products. These all are the products. These all are the products. Good. After that, keep aside. We have the different types of clients are there. It is very important. We have the different types of clients are there. Suppose we have the client C1. Their business is mercantile business. What is that? Their business is mercantile business. Okay. Some of the clients are there. Okay. Let me take the clients. Their businesses, for example, storing the employee data. Right? We have some other clients are there. Okay. Their business is building the apps. Their business is building applications. The building. Right? It is building. And some of the clients are there here. Their business sales. Mercantile and the sales almost same here, right? Just like that, I have the different types of clients out there throughout the world. Are you getting? See that we have the different types of clients out there. All the clients they want to start their business here. Here, this client is a very rich client, is very medium size or the poor client. But both are wants to do their sales operations in their company. Sales they want to implement sales operations in their company. To implement it, they want here the commonly available software. Are you getting? They want here or they want here the commonly available software. That commonly available software is nothing but the Salesforce CRM. Are you getting? So the Salesforce CRM through this cloud, okay, that can be get delivered like this. Okay, that can be delivered to the clients like this. Are you getting?
Đã đây khác là với
Okay, it can be get delivered to the clients like this. So, okay, as per their requirement, they're going to use this software, and if they want, they can use this software functionalities which are having already products. These products, any of the product. For example, client C1 is needed here. They want here the sales operations or the mercantile operations, sales operation in their company. If they want to use the sales cloud here in the Salesforce CRM, it is having the product called sales cloud that can be get delivered to the client C1. And he may ask me the question there. Client C4 is also same business operation they want here there, but he needed very lesser number of features. He's a very small client. He is having only 5 users to work, 5 persons to work in their company. Okay, and here the client C1 is having a very big client. 3,000 users are working in their company. It's a very big client actually there. Okay, both are needed the same sales cloud. Yes, of course, both are needed the same sales cloud, but the thing is, features are going to change in the sales cloud. Okay, sales cloud, which is needed for the client C4, they needed only a very less number of features here. The client C1, they needed very means large number of features they needed here there. How can you differentiate the same same sales cloud for the both the clients? How can you deliver? Yes, we can deliver because the sales cloud, marketing cloud, these products are having again additions. They are having the additions here. Are you getting? They are having the additions. Are you getting? Additions are like what the addition that we have. See that we have the essential additions are there. We have professional additions are there. Okay, professional additions are there. Sorry. Or we have the enterprise editions are there. Enterprise editions are there. We have unlimited editions are there. Like this, different types of editions are available in each product. If the client is going to take client C4 is going to take this essential edition, they're having very less number of features. In the same sales cloud, I'm saying it is about the sales cloud. Are you getting? It is about here the same sales cloud. Try to understand. I'm saying about here the same sales cloud. Okay. Are you getting? If the client wants to use the Salesforce CRM, Sales Cloud, and which is nothing but the essential. Essential means they are having very less number of features, so client C4 can satisfy with the essential features, basic features, right? Okay. Same Sales Cloud with Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition can be delivered to the client C1. Who needed here? He also needed the same sales operations, but more number of features they want here because it's a very big client. They're going to deliver the enterprise or unlimited edition in the same sales. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. The products based on the products and the editions in the Salesforce CRM, they're going to deliver to the clients. See, it is a commonly available software there. Okay, see that. Can you find the C2 employee? Their work is just storing the data. They want to protect their data. Their business is storing the data here. If they want to store the data, they don't need sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud, community cloud like that. They want only database data. Yes. Okay. Salesforce.com is going to deliver this database.com to the client C2. Can you find the client C3? Their work is only building the applications. Okay, they don't want to use here the sales cloud, service cloud, market cloud, community cloud like that. Okay, their work is on building the applications. If they want to build the application, they want the platform. So Salesforce.com is going to deliver this Lightning platform, okay, to the client C3. So the client C3 can use that platform. They can build that applications. That build applications, they're going to sell it to some other business entities throughout the world. Are you getting? So like that, any type of business, the clients are any type of business the clients wants to start. Are you getting? They needed a software and the software products and the products addition they want here means Salesforce.com is going to deliver through this cloud. You may ask me the question: how? Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Community Cloud, all other softwares. Lightning platform is the a platform there. Database.com is a server there. How they're going to deliver means. Okay, last 1 minute I'm going to take care of this. How they're going to deliver means. If they want to deliver the softwares, listen to me carefully. Okay, if they want to deliver the softwares, okay, they are going to use here the service. They are going to use the service. If they want to deliver the software, they are going to use here the SaaS service. What the SaaS means? Software as a service. Through this service, they can deliver the sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud, community cloud. Like that, the software's interfaces they are going to deliver through this service here. Next, if they want to deliver the platform, how they're going to deliver here there? They're going to use here the PaaS service. PaaS means here this platform, okay, as a service there. Okay. Next, if they want to use here, if they want to deliver the servers, they're going to use here IaaS service. IaaS means infrastructure, okay, as a service. Like that, they're going to use here the services. Through these services that they want to deliver from this cloud to the clients. Meanwhile, they're going to use here these services. These services. Okay, don't forget. That is about Salesforce. Understand? Finally, what you understand that you want to use as a client or as a business individual that you want to use a Salesforce here. You don't need any installations, no need of downloads, no need of installations, no need of exports, no need of setups. Are you getting? No need of platforms, no need of external servers. Are you getting it? Nothing is needed here. This just you need only internet connection and the browser that you are going to use this software. Okay, and the Salesforce.com is going to deliver this one to the clients to start their business. It's a commonly available software. Okay, any type of clients if they are willing to start their business, okay, it is the best one. Again, if you search in the Google what the best CRM is, Salesforce CRM is the best CRM. Are you getting? It's the world's number one CRM currently now at present. Okay, most of the popular companies are using the same Salesforce CRM. Or any common man also, they want to start their business, minimal business they want to start, they can use the Salesforce CRM. And Salesforce CRM is highly secured one. It is having, see, it is going to build on the multi-tenancy architecture. Multi-tenancy means Let me take, we have the big house is there. In the house, 10 portions are there. 10 portions are occupied by the 10 families. Yeah, monthly, are they paying to, are they paying the rental or not? They are the tenants. Just like the clients are also the tenants in the Salesforce cloud. Are you getting or not? Okay, if they are the tenants, means they should provide the different types of security levels there. Security layers they need to arrange here there. We have the two layers, two levels they're going to arrange here. One is the system level security, another is application level security. Again, in the system level security, they're going to form OAuth, means authorized authentications. They're going to use it here, single sign-on, social sign-ons. Are you getting or not? It's not important. It's not a very easy there. It's a very typical thing, actually. Okay, that you want to do any malfunction in the organization, that's not possible. There different types of securities are there. And not only that, here if we come to the application level security, again app level securities are there, object level securities are there, tab level securities are there, field level securities are there, record level securities are there, OWs are there, sharing rules are there, manual sharings are there. Different levels of security they're going to arrange in the Salesforce. That's why it's very difficult, okay, to move this. That's why Salesforce got that much of popularity over the cloud. Okay, man? From my end, it is finished. Okay. Any questions from your side? You can ask me. Kanyakumari,
Yeah.
Mahajabin. Yeah. Did you understand what I said or not?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yes. Mahajabin. Can you hear me? Mahajabin? Pavitra Reddy. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
Understand or not? Any difficulties?
I understand.
Right.
Okay, I understand too.
Yes. That's fine. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, that will start regular sessions. Okay. From tomorrow onwards. And one more
Mm.
thing that I want to say here. That, okay. Our training condition, look at here. One is the declarative part and the code customization. Declarative means by using the mouse. Okay. We are not writing any code. Any code customizations are not used in this one. That is to be named. That is named here the administration. Right? Administration. We are not writing any code, but we are applying only mouse there. Right? If we are doing a task, we are completing a task based on mouse means that's a declarative. Okay. So it will take the minimum 25 sessions. Minimum, I'm saying. And one more part is that here the development, the Salesforce. I'm talking about the Salesforce, right? Development part. Okay. Development minimum, it will take here 35 to 40 sessions. Minimum. It is completely code customizations. Means we are going to write a code. You want to write the code, okay, we are going to use your Visual Force pages, Visual Force pages for front-end framework. Visual Force pages here, it is Force, okay, for front-end framework. If you want to apply any actions, we are going to use your Apex classes. You want to learn here the Apex classes, man, okay, for these Apex classes, we needed object-oriented programming that we will discuss in the session itself. You don't worry about this to write the code. If you have already knowledge in that, oops, object-oriented programming. Okay, are you getting that? We can start easily here. And if you don't have also, no worries. That I'm going to discuss in the sessions. Are you getting? That's the thing. So it is a development part. Okay, man. For front-end framework pages. Upon the page that you want to apply any functionalities there or that you want to apply any action, I'm going to use the Apex classes. For the Apex classes, we need an object-oriented program. Are you getting? That is about of course here. Understand? Okay, guys. I'm going to close this session. Bye bye. See you. Daily recorded sessions. I'm going to share you the daily recorded sessions too. Once the class is completed, the session is being recorded. That recorded session, I'm going to download it and I'm going to process it. I'm going to share it to your Google Drive. You can check it. Right?
Okay.
That's
Okay.
it. If you have any reference, but fully don't depend upon the recorded session. Okay, I'm going to share a title there. That's okay. If you have any work with that recorded session, you please go through that. Please try to do your
Okay.
own the things. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.